Living in a city can make connecting with nature challenging, but I've always found ways to make it happen. My exercise, from trail running to surfing to free diving, is all geared around experiencing and engaging with the outdoors. I'm Michael Washington, founder of USAL Project. Cities can be isolating, so the whole idea behind Usol is to find a way to help people not only learn more about outdoor activities, but also to connect people in a way that feels natural and supports sustainability. In order to better understand how we can integrate nature into our daily lives, the first place to look is growing our own food. I've gardened before, but the Farmstand has simplified maintenance and allows me to easily grow different varieties like butter lettuce and mixed greens. It's nice to be able to walk outside and know that there's always fresh food available. To me, the idea of each one teach one is the most important concept for getting people involved with growing their own food. It's not only healthy for you to integrate a farm stand into your life, but it's actually healthy for the world.